Now we are going to solve another problem. Let's say create a file and add some text and run command to show how many lines there. There lines, word, character. There, okay. This is question. So first create a file touch. The touch test or txt. Okay. It is created. Now open this nano and type here that welcome. I am learning Linux distro, let's say Red Hat, Ubuntu, OpenSUSE, okay. And also I am learning C, Python, Java, SQL, Post, SQL. All right, that's all. This is we type. Now save it. So what is the question? Create a file. We have created the file, and now add some text. We added some text and show how many lines. So how to do WC word count and file name. Okay, WC word count and file name. Now type enter. So it is saying 5 cat. It means it has total 5 lines. This is the first line empty and last line in empty, in between 3 lines. Okay, 19 total words. So welcome is one word, I is one word, M is one word. This is total 19 and total character 112. Is it clear? This is how to create file and use the WC. WC minus L, what it shows? It is showing words, right? So line, L is line. It is showing line. Okay, this is how to use WC command. Thank you very much.